2 weeks ago at the season opener in Anaheim, Eli Tomac captured his 45th career win to surpass Chad Reed for 4th place on the all-time Supercross wins list. Now cameras were there to follow him and his Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing team on the historic day.
To be honest, I didn't know if last year was going to be my last year. Like the last time I left this, I was like, well, it could be my last time. I wasn't certain on even racing this year, so it very well could be.
Can't nail me in, hold me to one place. Don't give up easy, it's a long, hard race.
That's going to be a question he's going to get nonstop is this your final Anaheim? Is this your final San Diego? Is this your so on and so forth? And I think his answer is going to be the same as ours is, we hope not.
I'm treating it like that, even though I haven't made the decision totally yet. I'm trying to enjoy it as much as I can.
I ain't ready for no kingdom come. I'm way too crazy and way too young. Things to do, a world to see. I know there ain't no guarantees.
It was a little sketchy out there.
Yeah, I mean, I never got the rhythm after you.
Yeah.
But I'm just like, you know what? I'm just going to wait a session because of what it turns into, because I'm like, there's no point risking.
No. The only people that did the on-off 3-4 was Faulkner and then in 250, and then Chase did it.
Okay. It's pretty good.
You had it that last one.
I know, and I still chickened out. I totally had it. I should have just sat right into it. It's because the rain made the base really soft, and then the jumps themselves were dry from them being covered. It just creates a pocket right in the bottom of the face. It's just going to be a technical racetrack. I think tonight's key is literally just staying up on the motorcycle on 2 wheels throughout that whole main event.
He's the #1 bike.
Taking care of these guys and still keeping up with his training, he's just killing it. So we're just proud of him. I mean, he hasn't had good luck at A1, but we're hoping for a change with it being or maybe possibly last A1. We'll see. He's always got a good head on his shoulders and he's ready for it, so we'll see what happens.
World's on fire, can't put it out. Winds of war, stirring up a drought.
And it's time to drop the gate here at A1. Here comes the champ, and Tomac's got the lead. Oh, and the champ's dropped down. Wow.
It ain't over yet.
And Tomac has got him within reach. Inside for the lead, and he gets it. Tomac wins A1 for the first time ever.
Kicking the bucket, way down the road.
It's been 10 years here in the 450 class. I just counted my fingers this morning, so pretty cool to get it done.
Way down the road.
At 30 years of age, he is in career best form. #1 in so many ways.